Welcome to the first premium video of the Pandora Plus tutorial series. In this episode we build the equipment system with set bonuses. If you haven't seen the bonus video on Dialogic 2 integration, I recommend watching that one first. We start in the Pandora editor. I move the items we created in previous videos, iron sword, boots, helmet and the rest, into the equipment category. Then I configure the stats for each piece. Here's a summary of the values I'm assigning. Now in the equipment sets category, I create the leather set. I select the 5 pieces: armor, helmet, gloves, pants and boots. Then I define the bonus tiers. 2 pieces gives a small defensive boost, 3 pieces adds more defense and movement speed, and the full 5-piece set grants a significant bonus across multiple stats. Time to build the equipment GUI. I set up the scene with the equipment slots on the left and the player inventory on the right. Below that, 2 sections, one for player stats and one for set bonus info. For the script, I start by copying the inventory population logic from the crafting GUI since it's the same pattern. Then I write the method to populate the equipped items. Each equipment slot maps to a key like aid, chest, weapon, and I fill them with whatever the player currently has equipped. After a quick refactoring pass, I move on to the click handlers. When you click an item in the inventory, the script checks its equipment slot type, unequips whatever is already in that slot if needed, then equips the new item. Clicking an equipped slot does the reverse, sending the item back to your inventory. Next I write update stats, which reads the player's current stats and formats them with BB code. Then update set bonuses, which checks every defined set, counts how many pieces are equipped, and displays the active tier bonus in green, or shows how many pieces you need for the next tier. Finally, refresh all ties everything together, calling all three populate and update methods after any change. To open the GUI, I add a new toggle mapped to the P key and update the HUD script to instantiate the equipment GUI when pressed. Quick test. First run throws an error from a typed dictionary declaration. I remove the type int. Second run, another error. I add a null check on the equipped item before processing. Third run, more null-safety needed on the equipment slot and a guard on update stats when nothing is equipped. Fourth run, just a visual fix. Fifth run, I noticed the equipment slot values weren't configured properly on some items. I go back to the Pandora editor, update the possible values for the equipment slot field adding hand and feet, remove shield and accessory 2, then update the mapping in the script to match. Sixth run, one more null check needed for the unequip path. For the final test, I add all equipment items to the player's starting inventory. I equip pieces one by one. The stats update in real time as each item is added. When I reach the 2-piece threshold, the first tier bonus appears. Adding the third piece upgrades it. Equipping all 5 activates the full set bonus. Removing a piece downgrades the tier accordingly. Everything works. That's the equipment system done. In the next video, we'll build the merchant shop with reputation. See you there.